Hi, welcome to Take Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron. Are you having problems with Firefox and Gmail? Well, you're not alone. It's happened to me. Lots of times I'll try to get my email, I can't log in, have no idea what's going on, but there's a fix, and I'll show you how to fix it. With your browser open, Firefox open, if you don't see the menu, hit the Alt key, go to Tools, Options, Privacy and Security, Cookies and Site Data. Click Manage Data. Type in Google. Now what we want to do is we want to get rid of all of these cookies here. Every single Google cookie. So remove all. Save. Confirm. And now log back in to Gmail or YouTube, whatever one is causing you the problems, and your problems will be solved. This will only work in Firefox. If you have a different browser like Chrome, see my other video for how to delete cookies in Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.